Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make creamy ramen carbonara using Sapporo Ichiban Shio Ramen. If you have ever tried this product, shio means salt, but it is not at all salty, but creamy yet tasty, so it is a perfect product to make carbonara. It turned out rich yet addictive. You must try this out. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Let's make the sauce first. You need 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of shio ramen soup seasoning, two tablespoons of parmesan cheese. Mix very well. Heat olive oil in a frying pan. Cook bacon sticks until slightly crisp or up to your preference is okay. Add milk and simmer till hot, do not boil over. Add the noodles and simmer, shake to separate until the liquid is almost gone. Stop the heat, add the egg mixture and mix until creamy. Serve on a dish. Sprinkle with pepper. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
いただきます。
どうそれ？
おいしい。
おいしい？よかった。それはカルボナーラです。
はい。おいしいと思います。
フォークで食べたら？
はい、くるくる回るで。
そうそう。
ね、消毒はキャンプしなかった。だからお願いします。で、父さん、おってね。バイバイ。